laying down some kind of building bridge right now, but not certain.
Well, it doesn't fill it in 100%. It fills it in.
Well, the way we have it programmed, it's supposed to fill it in 100% because it's a thin part.
Or maybe that's as close to 100% as it'll ever get.
No, this is supposed to replicate a part almost identical. Actually, it's supposed to replicate a part identical to what you're drawing.
Oh, it's doing, see, it did that layer in this direction. Now it's doing it in the opposite direction. It's doing that to build up layers of strength. So I think that's as close to 100% fill as you're going to get.
It's at 26%. 26 minutes left to go. It's at 58% complete. So it's half the way it's going to be. Never taken a video of this one. Other people have.
Is this essentially PVC?
No.
Okay. See, now it's doing the lines this way. At last, the past it did them this way. Oh, you can smell that. Now I can smell it. That's ABS. I just got a good whiff of it.